Hello everyone and welcome to Final IT. We've got a quick video here that is going to cover how to open a CentOS 7 Linux machine port. Video that might be important to watch before this one is our guide on installing CentOS 7 minimal. This can be found in the description as well as a link to on the screen here. In order to open up a port in CentOS 7, you just got to run command. First we're going to want to run it as admin. So we'll type in sudo and then firewall-cmd --zone equals public --add-port equals 80/TCP. That'll be for HTTP traffic. You can change this to be whatever you need. Then --permanent. That'll be important to make sure that the rule stays there even through a restart. And it's asking for the admin password, which we'll enter, and we have a success. Now we'll also want to reload the firewall, and that's done by first running as admin again with sudo, then firewall-cmd --reload. This will reload it, and now we know that the port is open. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think.